Look at the design. You are thinking that this is the 3D design. No, you are absolutely wrong. How to do that? You want to learn this process? I'll show you from the scratch to end. So let's get started. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, you have to go to the Illustrator and then we'll make this one from scratch. So this one is 1 color, 2 color, 3, 4 and 5 color. Here is the swatch and we'll use this swatch for making these sort of things. So I'm copying this one and going to the file and going to the new options, and I'll take 1000 by 1000 pixel and hit the create button. I'll paste this swatch into this screen. So I'm keeping this beside of it. Fine. And now going to the rectangle tool, drawing a rectangle like this, and I have to provide a color. I'm providing this color. Fine. And now press A from the keyboard, or you have to go to the direct selection tool and make it little bit of like this. Fine. And now we'll do another thing, which is with the line tool. So I'll make a line like this and providing a stroke over there, and I'll turn off the fill color. Actually this line, not all of this. So selecting this and turning off the stroke of this shape. Fine. Now we'll make like that. So I'm copying this by pressing Alt like that, and after that by the help of the pen tool I'll make the shape fulfill, and now make this one stroke to fill color, and I'll provide a color like this. That's fine. And now we'll draw another color or another thing. So press Alt option button and make this one, copy and flip this, and after flipping that I'll provide another color, suppose like that, and A from the keyboard and match this one with that, and this portion with this. So we got a box shape like that. Now we have to make another thing. So we have to divide that like this. So we'll draw a line like this according to this, and I from the keyboard will making this, going to the gradient, selecting the gradient, we'll select 2 gradient color like this, and another pole will be like that, and make it reverse. That's fine. And now another portion will be white, or you can provide a white color, suppose like that. I from the keyboard and the white color, right press and then going to the arrange and going to the send to the back. That's fine. This should be going to the arrange and send to the back. That's fine. And now we'll do one thing. You have to go to the pen tool and add anchor point tool from here and add anchor point over there. So now going to the direct selection tool and make it like this. So now it looks like this one is a 3D box. So we have to make some color changes like this, or I'll add like this, and here I'll provide the white color. So it looks like this one is the 3D box, and here is the roof, here is the side, and other one I'll provide like this, or this, or this one. That's good. Fine. Now I'll make copy this one, Ctrl or Command C, and going to the Photoshop and taking new options and providing here 2000 pixel and hit the create button, and Ctrl or Command V, make this one a smart object and just place over there. So we got the place where we'll place our like product or everything. So here is our shoe photo. Control Command C and Control Command V. You can use any sort of product over there. It could be soda can, it could be the other elements or something like that. So Control Command T, make this one a little bit of smaller. And now here I'll take a blank layer and I'll make this one like that. And now going to the pen tool or any sort of marquee tool, and we'll make a mark like that. Fine. And in a blank layer we'll make it fill by pressing Option and delete. So we got the black color. So now going to the filter and now going to the blur and Gaussian blur. Make the Gaussian blur value a little bit of like that and hit OK. Press Ctrl or Command T, make this one smaller and place over there and down the opacity like this. And we can change the shape by pressing Alt or Option button and like that, and hit the tick button. You're getting like that. Now you're getting the feel like that the shape and the product is popping out from the box, and that is the thing. And you can now use this sort of image like that, like text, everything. So how to use that sort of text? Double press this one, it will open up a new window. In this window, yes, in this window, and now you can use that. So how to do that? Text, I'm writing here 3D design idea, and make the font size bigger. That's fine. I'm using here the pop-ins, this, and that is the extra bold. That's fine. Alt or Option button for making another copy. You can make this one smaller by pressing like here, divided by 1.6. Tutorial by ASM Arif. And now I'll make this one into light. That's fine. And here the demo text or this sort of demo text, and I'll make this text size divided by 1.6. That's fine. And area should be like that. Make this one middle. That's fine. So I'll place over there, and after that making it group and taking the shape like this, and Ctrl C, I'll make copy and alter like that. So now I'll make clipping mask like that, and then Ctrl F, forward paste, and this one another text. This one should be the downside, and selecting this and right press and make clipping mask, and just masking this one, Ctrl F7. And then now we'll do one thing, which is the share tool. We'll make it like this here or like this. And now we'll do another thing, the same thing like that. So I'll make this one upper, and using the share tool to make the angle look like that. And Ctrl S, so adjust this one properly and make this one like this, and shadow should be like that. So you are getting the full image, which is like 3D, and the subject is popping up from the window. So that's all for today. Hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any sort of questions, query or request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, yes, I'm signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.